You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In my last video, I talked about market moving up to 23k level at this very area, and market approach it up to 22,400. Okay, and on the 4-hour chart I talk about market moving up, and you see market did, and also on ETH. Now what are we expecting in the market? Because this week I am expecting the market to come back down within this area that I talked about. Okay, so all of this and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, Remit Trade, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. Right there on the BTC USDT 1-day chart, you see markets pump up to this very point, and I say the market is going to go up to 23k level right at this very point, and we see markets approach the 23k to 22,400 right now. What I am expecting, guys, is the market to come back down with a retracement. That is, you see, within this very area, not up to the 23k right now, but within this area from this level of 22,700 to where the market is right now is where we are going to experience retracement for the market to move back down. Okay, so I am expecting the market to move back down. The reason why I'm calling this retracement is because it's higher than the previous high at this very area. So I'm expecting the market to retrace in the longer term. That means it can take a week or two for market to come back down from this very area. So what you should do right now is pay attention to markets coming back down right now. This is very important, guys, because this is going to happen technically according to my technical analysis. And right here on the 4-hour chart, what I am expecting on the immediate short term right now is the market to move up a little bit, just like you're seeing right now, but don't take a long position. Reason why market is going to go back down in form of a retracement, just like I talk about on the 1-day chart. So on the 4-hour chart here, what you should do is allow the market to move. This very move right now, allow it to move within this very area of 2,700, that is 22,700, and where the market is right now, we're going to see a retracement to the downside. I am going to take a short position on BTC USDT 4-hour chart for market to move to the downside, because this is what I am expecting, and this is going to happen in the market. And pay attention to this very retracement coming into the market, because we're going to see market retrace, then come back up, retrace before the next move to the upside from this very area. So this is what I am paying attention to right now. Expect retracement from this very region of 22,700 and this very area where the market is right now. This is what you should be paying attention to. And on the 4-hour chart ETH right here, you see this market is about to come down, guys, in form of a retracement. That means if you look at this area, market is finding difficulty to break out, but expect retracement, that is confirmation, within this level of 1,800, that is $1,800 at this very point right here, and where the market is right now. Expect the market to, retrace. That means we could see this very move go up a little bit, just like markets will do, and the next move to the downside. So this is what you should be paying attention to right now, guys, and this is going to play out according to my technical analysis. What do you think about the market right now on Bitcoin at this very point where I was talking about market approaching the 23k? Do you think from this very area where the market is right now, we're going to see the market come back down, or we're still going to see the market just move straight to the upside? Remember, this week is the CPI data that can impact on the market greatly. What do you think about the market? In as much as we're waiting for the CPI data to be released, comment below in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not learned how to do simple technical analysis for profitable trading and mentorship, check the description of this video. See a contact, reach out to me immediately and get properly trained. Thank you very much for watching to this video, and I will see you in the next video.